The flurry of young children and teenagers dropped off at hospitals and police stations caught Nebraska officials by surprise. 18 since the law took effect 3 months ago. One overwhelmed Nebraska widower dropped off 9 kids ranging from 20 months to 17 years old. Then grandparents of a 14-year-old from Iowa and a Michigan mother of an adopted 13-year-old left the children at Omaha hospitals.
The law needs to be changed, and we need to get back to the intent of the law. And the intent of the law was always the protection of newborns in immediate danger of being harmed.
Nebraska's safe haven law is the nation's only one that doesn't set an age limit. For example, 15 states accept infants up to 3 days old, 14 states 1 month old, only 2 states accept children up to a year old.
These were laws that were put in place to try to prevent infanticide and to address the tragedies where a parent feels she has no alternative but to abandon her child in a trash can.
But the laws don't always prevent those tragedies. 1 week ago in Maryland, a day-old baby was discovered in a black bag abandoned in a field. She died. Safe haven laws generally promise parents or guardians anonymity and no criminal charges as long as the child hasn't been abused. The head of child welfare in New Jersey, where infants up to a month old are accepted, says those rules are essential.
Our motto is no shame, no blame, no names. Since the enactment of the law in August of 2000, we have had 37 safe surrenders.
In Nebraska, state legislators are planning to amend the law.
We need to look at, what can we do for these older children other than having them dropped off at the hospital?
Child advocates say government can provide more services for families without health insurance or whose insurance lacks mental health coverage.
These are children with serious behavioral and emotional problems who need mental health treatment. 1 out of 5 children in this country has an unmet mental health need, and only about 1 in 5 of those children get any sort of treatment.
The children abandoned in Nebraska are now in state custody, with the exception of the teens from Iowa and Michigan who are being sent back to their states.